how to find compound interest for 2 years compounded annually, compound interest for 3 years and 4 years using a trick. Compound interest for, so we are going to find compound interest for 2 years, 3 years and 4 years using a trick. Let us see how to find compound interest for 2 years. Compounded annually. Compounded annually. Let us see the question. Find compound interest. Find compound interest for 30,000 rupees. Find compound interest for 30,000 rupees at 7% interest rate of interest for 2 years. For 2 years. Find the compound interest for 2 years. How to find the annually we are finding. Find the compound interest for a sum of 30,000 rupees. For a sum of 30,000 rupees at 7% interest for 2 years. Now, what we have to remember is, we have to take 2:1. Remember 2:1 because this is a period of 2 years. Now, let us say how to find this. Let us say how to find this. So, we have to take the amount that is 30,000 rupees. We have to take the amount that is 30,000 rupees. First, how much percent we have to find? 7%. We have to find 7%. Now, for 30,000 rupees, 10% is 3,000. For 30,000 rupees, 10% is 3,000, 1% is 300. Okay? For 30,000 rupees, 10% is 3,000, 1% is 300. So we want 7%. So 300 into 7. That is 2,100. 2,100. In the same way, for 2,100 rupees, we have to find 7%. You know that for 2,100, 10% is 210 and 1% is 21. We want 7%. So 21 into 7, 147. So what we have done now? For 30,000 rupees, we got 2,100 plus 147. So now we have to multiply these two. That is 2 into 2,100. If I have to multiply 2 into 2,100, we have to multiply. You will get how much? I am writing here. That is 4,200 plus 1 into 147, 147. So it is totally 4, 3, 2 and 7. 4, 3, 2 and 7. So this is how we are going to find compound interest for 2 years compounded annually. So I will go for one more question. I'll go for one more question. కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 2 సంవత్సరాలు కనుక్కోవాలండి అనుకోండి. కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 30,000 రూపాయలకి 7% కట్టాలి 2 ఇయర్స్కి. సో 30,000 రూపాయలకి 21 అనే నెంబర్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలండి, 2 సంవత్సరాలు కాబట్టి. సో 30,000కి 10% అంటే 3,000, 1% అంటే 300, 7% కట్టాలి. 7% అంటే 21,100. మళ్ళీ 21,100కి 7% కట్టాలి. 21,100కి 7%. దట్ ఈస్ 10% అంటే 210, 1% అంటే 21, 21 ఇంటూ 7 147. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేయాలండి. 2 ఇంటూ 2100 4200, 1 ఇంటూ 147 147. సో టోటల్ మనకు వచ్చేదే కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. సో చాలా సింపుల్ అండి. మనం వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్కి వెళ్దాం. లెట్ us see one more question, dear students, based on compound interest. The question is, find compound interest for 2 years compounded annually. Find the compound interest for 2 years compounded annually. Compounded annually. At 4%. At 4%, and then the 7500 amount on 7500 amount. So find the compound interest on 7500. Compound annually rate is 4%, time is 2 years. So we have to remember 7500, 2 and 1 we have to write. So for 7500, 10% is for 7500, 10% is 750. For 7500, 1% is 75. Just put a decimal like this. So we want for 4%. So 75 into 4, 300. 4%. 75 into 4, 300. Again, for 300, 4%. 10% is 30. 1% is 3. 10% is 30. 1% is 3. So 3 into 4, 12. So total it is 300 into 2. We have to multiply, that is 600. 12 into 1, 12. So 600 plus 12, 612. So total interest is 612 rupees. So what we are going to do? We'll put 2 and 1 for 2 years. Take the amount. Find the rate, that is 4% or 10% or 15%. సో 2 సంవత్సరాలకి ఎలా చేస్తున్నారండి? ఇక్కడ 7500 అమౌంట్ అండి. రేట్ ఏమో 4%, సమయం ఏమో 2 సంవత్సరాలు. సో ముందేం చేస్తున్నాం? 2-1 అని రాసుకుంటామండి. 2-1 అని రాసుకున్నాక ఇప్పుడు 4% కట్టాలి 7500కి. సో 7500కి 10% అంటే 750, 1% అంటే 75, 4% అంటే 300. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇప్పుడు 300కి మళ్ళీ 4% కట్టాలంటే 12. సో 300 ఇంటూ 2 చేయాలి, దట్ ఈస్ 600, అండ్ 1 ఇంటూ 12 is 12. సో మొత్తం 600 ప్లస్ 12 612. సో 7500కి 2 సంవత్సరాలకి 4% చొప్పున 612 రూపాయలు కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుందండి. వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్ టైప్. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటండి? ఫైండ్ కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ for 3000 rupees, 5% rate, time 2 years. సో ఫస్ట్ 3000 రూపాయలు కండి 2 and 1 అని రాసుకుంటాం. సో ఫస్ట్ 3000 రూపాయలకి 10% అంటే 300, 10% is 300, 5% అంటే 150, 5% is 150. For 3000 rupees, 10% is 300, 5% is 150. For 3000 rupees, we have found 5%. For 150, again 5% we have to find. For 150, 10% is 15. 5% is 7.5. So next step is 150 into 2, 300. 7.5 into 1, 7.5. So total it is 307.5. Okay, 307.5. This is question number 3 now. We have said we're going to question number 4. Question number 4. So we have to remember 2, 1. Okay, in the same way, find compound interest for 25,000 rupees at 12% compounded annually. Time is equal to 3 years, compounded annually. So compound interest కనుకోండి 25,000 రూపాయలకి 12% రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, టైం ఏమో 3 సంవత్సరాలు. సో ఇందాక 2-1 రాసినప్పుడు 3-3-1 అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 3-3-1. సో దిస్ ఇస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 4. సో నౌ ఫర్ 25,000 compound interest. So first step for 25,000, 10% is 2,500. 10% is 2,500. 1% is 250. So 10% is 2,500. 1% is 250. We want 2%. 250 into 2, 500. So total it is 3,000. So for 25,000, 10% is 2,500. 1% is 250. We want 12%. So 10% plus 2%. We are going to get 3,000. For 3,000, again 12%. 10% is 300. 2% is 30 into 2, 60. 10% is 300. 1% is 30. 2% is 60. So it is 360. For 360 again, 12%. 10% is 36. 1% is 3.6. 2% is 7.2. 36 plus 7.2, 43.2. So for 25,000, 10%, 12% is 3,000. 12% for 3,000 is 360. 12% for 360 is 43.2. Now next step is multiply 9,000 plus 360 into 2, 1080 plus 43.2 into 1, 43.2. So finally if you add all these things, (9,000 plus 1080 plus 43.2), 10,123.20. This is the compound interest for 3 years. సో 3 సంవత్సరాలు కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కట్టాలంటే అండి 25,000 తీసుకోండి, అమౌంట్ వాడు ఇచ్చింది, రేట్ ఏమో 12%, టైం ఏమో 3 సంవత్సరాలు, 3-3-1 అనేది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో ఫస్ట్ 25,000కి 12% కడితే 3,000 వస్తుంది. 3,000కి 12%, 360. 360కి 12%, 43.2. ఇది 3 సంవత్సరాలు కాబట్టి 3-3-1. సో ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 9,000, 360 into 2, 1080, 43.2 into 1, 43.2. మొత్తం అని యాడ్ చేస్తే 10123.20. ఇది కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఫర్ 3 years. Next question, same type. Find compound interest. Find compound interest. For 8,000 rupees, 5% per annum. Time is equal to 3 years. Time is equal to 3 years. So first is 8,000 rupees. This is 1 for 3 years. For 8,000 rupees, 10% is 800, 5% is 400. For 8,000 rupees, 10% is 800, 5% is 400. For 400, 10% is 40, 5% is 20. For 20, 10% is 2, 5% is 1. So totally 400 into 3, 1200, 20 into 3, 60, 1 into 1, 1, 1261. 1261. So compound interest for 8,000 rupees at 5% for 3 years. సో 3 సంవత్సరాలకి 5% రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. అమౌంట్ ఏమో 8,000 అనుకోండి. 331 అనేది గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారు. సో 8,000 రూపాయలకి ఫస్ట్ 5% కడితే 400, 400కి 5% 20, 20కి 5% 1. సో 400 ఇంటూ 3 1200, 20 ఇంటూ 3 60, 1 ఇంటూ 1 1. సో టోటల్ యాడ్ చేస్తానండి 1261. Fifth one. Last one for 3 years. Find compound interest. Amount is compound interest. Amount is 12,500 time 3 years. Rate 10%. So 12,500, 12,500, 3, 3, 1, because it is for 3 years. For 12,500, 10% is 1250, 10% is 1250. For 1250, 10% is 125. For 125, 10% is 12.5. Now 1250 into 3, 3,750. 125 into 3, 375. 12.5 into 1, 12.5. If I add all these things, 3,750 plus 375 plus 12.5, we get 4,137.5. This is the compound interest. Hope it is clear. So for 12,500, time is 3 years, rate is 10%. 12,500, 331 because it's for 3 years. So first is 1250, 10% is, rate is 10%, 10% 1250, again 10% 125, again 10% 12.5. So 1250 into 3, 125 into 3, 12.5 into 1. Total if I add this, I get 4,137.5. That is the compound interest. Now, compound interest for 4 years. Compound interest for 4 years. Question number 7. Find compound interest. Time is equal to 4 years. Amount is equal to 10,000. Rate is equal to 10%. Rate is equal to 10%. For 4 years, we have to remember 4, 6, 4, 1. There's a trick we have to remember 4, 6, 4, 1 for a period of 4 years if you want to find the compound interest. So as usual for 10,000 rupees, 10% is 1000. For 1000, 10% is 100. For 100, 10% is 10. For 10, 10% is 1. So rate is equal to 10%. So for 10,000, 10% is 1000. For 1000, 10% is 100. For 100, 10% is 10. For 10, 10% is 1. So compound interest 1000 into 4, 4000 plus 100 into 6, 600 plus 10 into 4, 40 plus 1 into 1, 1. So 4641. Here one thing we have to do. For 1000, 10%, for 10,000, 10% is 1000, 100, 10, for 10% is 1. Okay. సో కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ 4 సంవత్సరాలు కనుక్కోవాలంటే అండి 4641 అనేది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. 4641 అమౌంట్ 10,000, 10% కట్టాలి రేటు 1000, 1000కి 10%, 100, 100కి 10%, 10, 10కి 10%, 1. సో 1000 ఇంటూ 4, 4000, 100 ఇంటూ 6, 600, 100 ఇంటూ 6, 10 ఇంటూ 4, 40, 1 ఇంటూ 1, 1. సో టోటల్ 4641 వస్తుందండి. సో కాంపౌండ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ for 4 years, same model. Next question. Next question. Compound interest time is 4 years. Rate is 10%. Amount is 1000. So for 1000 rupees, find the compound interest. Time is 4 years. Rate is 10%. So 1000 for 6, 4, 1 because it is for 4 years. Now for 1000, 10%, 100. For 100, 10%, 10. For 10, 10%, 1. For 1, 1%, 0.1. So for 1000, 10%, 100. For 100, 10%, 10. For 10, 10%, 1. For 1, 10%, 0.1. So 100 into 4, 400 plus 10 into 6, 60 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 0.1. Total it is 464.1. 464.1. And last question on compound interest. Find compound interest. Find compound interest. For 4 years, rate is 10%. Amount is equal to 25,000. Find compound interest for 4 years. Rate is 10%. Amount is 25,000 rupees. So 4 years we have to take 4, 6, 4 and 1. So for 25,000 rupees, 10% is 2,500 for 25,000. 10% on 2,500 is 250. 10% is 25 for 250. 10% is 2.5. So 2,500 into 4, that is 10,000 plus 250 into 6, 1,500 plus 20 into 4 plus 2.5. So total it is 11,602.5. Addition. So 25,000 plus 11,602.5. So 25,000 plus if you add totally, how much do we get? 36602.5. 36602.5. So final answer. So how to find compound interest for 2 years, 3 years and 4 years compounded annually we have seen. Thank you dear students for today.